The Lagunas Norte mine, which is 100% owned by Peru, is located in Peru in the La Libertad region, which is about 600 kilometers north of Lima, the capital city, and 141 kilometers from Trujillo City. Lagunas Norte is a traditional open-pit truck shovel heap leach operation that has been in continuous production since 2005. Up until 2021, the Lagunas Norte mine has been operated by Barrick Gold Corporation and has produced over 10 million ounces of gold. Lagunas Norte is a conventional open-pit operation with metal extraction obtained through conventional heap leach technologies and processed by Merrill-Crowe and carbon in column plants to produce gold and silver as a byproduct. The heap leach plant produces doré bars, which are shipped to an outside refinery for processing into gold bullion. Lagunas Norte Geology. The Lagunas Norte mineralization is of a high sulfation type. Disseminated mineralization is hosted in sedimentary and volcanic rocks. The geological and resources model has been updated using more than 217,000 meters of diamond drilling and more than 90,000 meters of RC drilling. At a 0.2 gram per ton grade shell, the ore body is almost 3 kilometers long. Current proven and probable reserves are 4 million ounces within the ore in the open pit and surface stockpiles. Measured and indicated resources are 338,000 ounces contained in the pit. This long section through the ore body shows the current pit. The solid shapes below represent the remaining reserves and resources. The remaining ore in the pit will be mined as part of the PMR project. Lagunas Norte Future Projects. In order to extend the mine life, Peru is taking a phased approach by first optimizing and advancing the CMOP project to recover ounces from the already mined carbonaceous surface stockpiles, followed by the PMR project mining and processing of sulfide material in the pit. Additional process facilities of CMOP and PMR plants will be constructed in phases during the projected life of the mine. Remaining oxide ore and the carbonaceous stockpiles will be processed for the first 5.5 years through the current heap leach and planned CMOP processing plants, followed by the mining and processing of the remaining materials in the open pit through the PMR plant. The CMOP plant includes the construction of grinding, carbon in leach processing, and tailings filtration circuits to process the already mined carbonaceous stockpiles containing 1.2 million ounces of gold. Basic and detailed engineering of this fast-track project is already progressing, with Golder Associates construction works beginning in early 2022, and production is expected to begin in the fourth quarter of the same year. During the second phase of the project, PMR, additional pressure oxidation and flotation circuits, will be constructed to process additional 2.7 million ounces of contained gold from sulfide ore remaining in the pit. This phase will further extend the life of the mine to 2042. Lagunas Norte Exploration. Explorations to date have been principally focused on oxide mineralization, both at the brownfield and greenfield targets. Up to now, various objectives have been evaluated with different degrees of progress within the large area of the properties around Lagunas Norte. If the sulfide processing facility is established, then a reinvigorated exploration effort will recommence to identify and add more high-grade sulfide resources to further extend the life of the mine. Commitment to the responsible mining principles. Lagunas Norte, under Peru's ownership, maintains a transparent relationship with host communities and governments, focused on proper environmental and safety performance, as well as maintaining continuous production that began in 2005, and is aimed at achieving long-term shareholder value and committed to engaging in strong, sustainable development for its people and stakeholders, now and in the future.